Modi-led Indian regime has gagged the independent media by banning the Pakistani channels and threatening the international media outlets that challenge its narrative on the Pahalgam false flag operation. False flags follow every failure and Pahalgam is the latest in the pattern. India manufactures crisis to distract from the domestic chaos and suppress dissent. Indian media is a Hindutva echo chamber. State-sponsor anchors glorify violence, demonize minorities, and drown out the real journalism with the propaganda. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has expressed deep concern over the safety of the Kashmiri students studying across India in the aftermath of the Pahalgam false flag attack. In a statement in Srinagar, Mufti revealed that she has been receiving distress calls from the Kashmiri students who are living in fear due to rising tensions and the acts of intimidation. At least 16 Kashmiri shawl vendors have left Mussoorie in haste following an attack on two of their fellow tradesmen, sparking concerns over the safety in the popular tourist hill town of Dehradun district of the Uttarakhand, India. The assault, captured on video and widely circulated on the social media, shows a group of men repeatedly beating and abusing two vendors on the Mall Road. A Pakistani woman who married a soldier of the Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force was sent back from Jammu for deportation of their country from the origin, Indian media reported. Minal Khan, who was accompanied by her husband Munir Khan, a resident of the Garota, left Jammu for the Wagah border. She had married him online, they said. In an emotional turn of the events, the Indian authorities have sent 11 Pakistani nationals, mostly the women married to the Kashmiri men, for deportation from Atari Wagah border from the Poonch district. All these 11 people are identified as the Pakistani nationals who were living here since the years and the decades.